Hi folks, my name is Dib. Welcome to BISH'S RV, and today we're going to show you this Catalina toy hauler. Really nice, very simple, no gen, but it does have a fuel station. Lots of LED lights you can play with, the power tongue jack, of course. That's your spot here for your gen. A toy lock, pretty cool. Nice touch right there. LED lights, as you can see, they're blinking. You can change colors and all that good stuff. Let's walk in and show you more. As we go here, look at the steps, you know, those are very sturdy, very nice. For a toy hauler, this is, I mean, entry level in a way, but man, it does a lot. Lots of room, open floor plan. You got your deck, the patio, got your cover, 2 sofas. These, by the way, they can go out to the way, they can swing down if you need the height for your toy or your machine, what have you. Nice fridge right here. Look at that. As for a toy hauler, this is a slide, by the way. There is a slide right here. That's pretty cool. 2 recliners. I like these recliners. Very nice. The TV is over there though, but anyways, so we'll show you right here the kitchen and the microwave. Lots of cover space. This is pretty nice. They made an ambiance in a way like a hutch. TV is right there, beautiful. There's your AC, of course. More cabinets on top. I mean, these guys did their best. There is more storage. Lots of toy haulers lack storage. This one will give you plenty for the size. 28 TH, of course. Come on in here, let me show you here the bathroom. And as you go in here, you got your glass shower door. Got more cabinets. This is a nice feature. You don't see this in big rigs. As we go into the bedroom right here, this is a nice bedroom, folks. Lots of space here. They make it like a walk around, I mean, with power outlets and USB ports on both sides. And they try to give you more cabinets here, more for storage. And over here, this is a nice surprise, nice closet. Let's go outside, show you a little bit more, folks. Come on, come through. Nice wheels. This is a big window, by the way. Nice wheels, I like that touch. And this is metal, not your plastic with cracks. You know, after a while it will dry out and crack. That right there is your fuel station, which is your gadgets right there for you. Right there where you fill it up. Camera ready. See that? It's camera ready if you would like to do that. I like this style of locks. Very nice. Not the old-fashioned ones. This is a nice lock. As we go through, there's your venting, just in case you want to vent stuff. Over here, that's the back of your fridge, of course. Microwave. That's your hub right there. Outside shower. Nice feature, folks. This is a nice coach. Give me a call. There's a lot of information available. 541-515-1237. Thank you.